Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download videos from your Google Drive. So you want to head over to Google Drive. So you want to head over to google.com, ensure that you're signed into your Google account, then click the Google Apps and you want to find Drive. So I'm going to click on Drive here. Now once it loads guys, you want to find where on the drive you have videos, right? So I'm going to click on my drive and I'm going to try to find my folders, and as you can see here I have a bunch of folders here that I can find videos from. So I'm going to choose, for example, this folder here with some videos, and I'm going to simply choose this current video right here, and I can simply right click on this video and I will see the option to download. You can also get the download button. Once you click on the video, you should see two other options appear to download. You should see on the top here where you have the download icon, and if you look towards the right hand side, you also have the option to download, and if you right click, you have the option to download. So three options there to download the video. So simple click on any one of those download and you will see immediately that it start to scan, and then it will start to download. Once it starts to download guys, you'll see it appear towards the upper right hand side and it will do a download. Depending on how long that video is, it will take the time and in a circular motions download that video. Once it is finished, it will pop up there. You can either click on that video or you can check it from your downloads folder, and once you enter your download folder you should see the video. You can double click on that video and you can watch that video. And that's it guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and download a video from your Google Drive. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.